Welcome to 8641 RedWing. This property in Pensacola is located super central. It's near everything because it's right in the middle. It's got everything from interstate access to hospitals, restaurants, and Navy Federal, airport, beaches, everything. So check it out. Lots of renovations, new roof, new air conditioner, new kitchen, new bathrooms, new floors, new lights, new sheetrock. Such a great renovation. But the thing you're gonna love about this is mostly the yard and how there's no HOA. So you can park your boats, jet skis, RVs, all the fun things and toys. Call WalterPierce.com.